active. Brenda 50th birthday party, you know? Special request. She said active, you know they can do it some more to come play. And I said, most of the most, you don't know, we bring in Brenda. You see what I'm saying? They done on the 50th birthday party, so it was a special. See that Hollywood style, red carpet, active, everything. See? Red carpet style, carpet style. Brenda is here.
From the Caribbean here. You want from the Caribbean? Big section over there. Barbados, Trinidad, Jamaica, St. Lucia.
Brenda the outside away from right now.
Talking about anyone from Europe in the house tonight. Europe.
Coming back from Profile.
Alright, any Canadians?
Active line and represent.
Any English? London, where are you? I see you over there. Shake your hands. Okay. Beautiful. We're going to have a great time. Sunset Boulevard, good night to you guys. Rodeo Drive, good night to you. Hollywood Boulevard, and of course, Wilshire Boulevard. Good night to you, ladies. Ladies, we have a wonderful photographer over here, so when you're ready to show off that outfit, take some beautiful pictures. Come on over to Apple. You'll take great care of your outstanding your pictures.
They are more life, more strength, and good. Okay? Yeah, you know, right now, red carpet style. Hollywood, you know what I'm saying? Don't know what I mean? One thing, Edgar and David.
I don't know the Edgar and David ever up and running. You know, it's Edgar, no mean Edgar, the moon, the sky, don't it? To the moon, Edgar, to the moon. And Edgar that take over the era, 2030, Edgar.
I will tell him, say, you see our thing right now, active Edgar TV, above the weather, okay? Fly in, fly out, above the weather, everything, Hollywood style, you see? Good. See that now.
How much is the production? I don't know. Active agency.
Huggins production, you see?
Huggins production, Sepsis.
Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Jamaica.
We are playing, you know. We are Jamaica. Big up Sean P. No, thing that shut touch the sky, moon. That's why we say above the weather, touch the sky, and all those things. That touch the sky, don't know Sean Paul. Big up yourself anyway, Sandra. Manners and respect. Above Tanisha too, yeah? Tanisha Scott, big up yourself. Hollywood style, Sunset, Rodeo, everything good, okay?
Huh? Yeah, for them, yeah.
Rise for the occasion. We want you to step up to the dance floor. Beautiful young lady. And I say young, I'm talking about celebrating the big 5-0 tonight, 50 years young indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome Daphne Brenda Auguste. Keep it rolling, louder.
Are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Oh, yeah. Come on, y'all. Put your hands together. Let me hear you. Yeah. Did I hear somebody scream? Oh, yeah. That sexy lady. Oh yeah. Looking so beautiful.
birthday celebration tonight. VIP style. Oh yeah. Security. This is the First Lady, Daphne Brenda Augustine. That's sexy lady. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together one more time for the birthday girl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Red carpet style.
Yeah, right, fix that.
Bashment tonight.
Going to Times Square, take a picture of me with a Kodak. Took my life from negative to positive. I just want you to know that. Tonight,
Here comes the active dancers. Give it up for the active dancers, y'all. Oh yeah. Hey. Big round of applause for the active dancers.
Talk about deep foundation rhythm. Right now, I'm not 40 butter. Right now, they got 40 butter. None of them no one like some around it. None of them no like the round it. Stop the one they know off it. I'm the J.B. Great Chopper Mountain. Stop the one they know off it. I'm the J.B. Great Chopper Mountain. City boy.
your hands together for the active dancers, y'all. Oh, man. For the active dancers, wicked, full of style and force, full of energy as they present that special dance for the special young lady, Brenda. Give it up for the active dancers one more time, y'all. We are here to party. We are here to have a good time. Yeah, that's the one. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a good night. Put your hands in the air if you want to party. Come on. Oh yeah. We are about to. Oh yeah. Come on, Carmen. Let's party. Anyone in the Sunset Boulevard want to party? Hollywood Boulevard, do you want to party? Rodeo Drive, do you want to party? Wilshire Boulevard, do you want to party? Yeah. DJ Eric is on a 1 and 2. He is ready. Are you ready? Brenda, are you ready? One more time, y'all. Put your hands in the air. Let's go. You guys are on video. We want you to party your off tonight, okay? Are you ready? Tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Come on, Carmen. Drag him up here, Carmen. Let's go. Party, y'all. It's time to party. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, yeah. Come on, Brenda. Let's do that dance, baby. Come on, Brenda. Give it up. as I said earlier, who's here tonight? Is Trinidad here tonight? Is Jamaica here tonight? Is Antigua here? St. Lucia? St. Vincent? All my St. Lucians, good night! Oh yeah, time to party, y'all. Time to party. If you came here to sit down, none of that tonight. None of that. This girl is on fire. This is only going to happen one time. She only celebrates her 50th birthday one time, and you guys are here to witness it. Give it up for Brenda. When you call her tomorrow, don't call her too early, okay? When you call her later on today, don't wake her up. She's gonna get a lot of rest after tonight.